Hello YouTube! Welcome back to Amateur Cook. Today we'll be attempting to make one of my all-time favorite dish, Niku Udon. It is usually my go-to food whenever I'm outside and don't know what to eat. But since COVID happened, I haven't had the chance to eat Niku Udon, and I'm craving for it. So I thought to myself, why don't I make it at home? So let's get started. And these are the ingredients that we will be using. A full list of ingredients is also on the description box down below. To begin, we're going to start with our soup base. Soak the konbu in water for approximately 15 to 20 minutes under very low heat, as we don't want the water to boil over, causing the soup to be bitter. While waiting, we can start on our seasoned beef. Turn on the heat and add oil onto the pan. Once the pan is hot enough, we can start cooking our thinly sliced beef. Once you see the beef changes color, we can add in our onion. Followed by sliced ginger. Once you smell the aroma of the onion coming out of the pan, we will add soy sauce. Give it a good stir. Once you see the onion starting to absorb the soy sauce, you want to add mirin and sake. Give it a good stir. Now we're going to add a little bit of water. Give it a good stir. Followed by lowering the heat and letting it simmer until the liquid is reduced. The konbu should be soft like this. That's an indication that we can remove the konbu out of the soup. Once the konbu is removed, we can add our Bonito Flakes. Crank up the heat and bring it to a boil. During this boiling process, sometimes white foam will appear. What we want to do is scoop it out to get a clear soup. Once it's boiled over, we can turn off the heat and remove the Bonito Flakes out of the soup. Once the Bonito Flakes is separated from the soup base, we're going to turn on the heat and we're going to add salt, soy sauce, mirin, followed by sake. While waiting for the soup to boil, we're going to drop in our Naruto. First, don't forget to taste your soup. As soon as the Naruto floats onto the surface, we can remove it. Now that the soup is boiling, we can start cooking the udon for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Once the soup starts boiling again, we can turn off the heat, remove the udon from the soup, and let it rest for approximately a minute before we start serving. As you can see, the liquid has reduced. We can turn off the heat, and time to start plating. Get yourself a bowl. Get some udon noodle into the bowl. Followed by our seasoned beef. Followed by the soup. Add some spring onion, couple slices of the Naruto, and finally some Nori. Well, there you have it, Niku Udon. Thank you for watching.